Okay. This is a circuit for a light and a switch. Now, when it goes wrong in your house, you call an electrician. There's only 3 wires. This is a bomb. When it starts ticking, you call an electrical engineer with a steady hand. 30 wires. The human brain. When this goes wrong and it needs fixing, you need a hell of a lot of luck. It literally has 1 trillion wires. They're not color-coded, and they don't actually look like this. They're microscopic. In fact, if you cut straight through a brain or take a standard MRI, all you really get to see are areas that are white and areas that are not. So who cares? Well, let's say you're a competent, well-known neurosurgeon. And you have a patient who needs part of their brain removed in order to save their life. Unfortunately, under that gross surface there are some critical wires that, let's say for argument's sake, let the patient see. Now, the deeper you cut, the more likely you are to save your patient's life. The deeper you cut, the more likely you are to sever those wires and your patient goes blind. So how deep do you cut? Any ideas, Mark? How deep do you cut? No ideas? The answer to this question is don't get sick, because no 2 brains are the same. There is no average, there is no rule of thumb, and there is no currently available technology that will tell you, as your neurosurgeon, what is safe to do in this scenario. Enter Consult. Consult is software that I've written that extends what an MRI scanner can do. So rather than getting these boring white and gray images, we get a full 3-dimensional reconstruction of the wires in a particular person's brain. It's even color-coded. So for example, on the top left here, the green lines indicate the wires that let this particular person see. Now, what a neurosurgeon can do is they can take this into their laptop in front of them or with a virtual reality headset, and they can plan their neurosurgery in order to miss these critical wires. As they go, the software will tell them whether what they're doing is safe or otherwise. For you as a patient, this means 2 things. Firstly, if you get sick, you are far more likely to hear from the neurosurgical team, "Yep, we're happy to treat you." Secondly, that surgical team can maximize the safety and efficacy of what they do, meaning you not only get to leave hospital cured, but you get to walk out rather than find yourself pushed in a wheelchair. Thank you very much.